Hey you guys, I'm Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today we are going to be doing part 2 of our dollar store series, where last time I showed you my top 5 favorite dollar store finds, and today I'm going to show you how to style them. So stay tuned for more. For more awesome deals like I'm sharing today, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Design Loves Detail, where I share daily deals in my Instagram stories. So today, of course, dollar store is where it's at because I want to prove that you don't have to spend a lot to get a cool looking home. These are, of course, books like I was talking about last time that are literally just recent finds from the dollar store. And this is a cookbook I thought was a fun one, and then of course I just put another one there kind of for accent. Normally I would put, cookbooks up here, but I thought both of those looked cute as an example. And then these are the glass jars, one of the options they have for the lidded ones, and they would be great for filling with spices and things like that. The bowls, of course, enough said, they're functional and practical and $1. So really cute and simple white ones. And then I also got these underneath them. I'm going to pull these down so I can show you. They are little small bamboo cutting boards, but I think that these would be so fun, and I might have to do this because I now have this idea, to use as like modern, kind of like a little modern serving tray, kind of like for a dinner party. I think they would be so cute to have kind of like an individual little baby charcuterie type board for your guests. So I might have to do an idea with that, but I thought those were so fun, and they can just stack right there underneath the bowls to give a little height and a little bit of that wood tone as well that kind of ties in with our utensils that we're going to be talking about. And then these are of course just a small plate, and they have larger ones as well. Really they had a ton. I went back just today because I was grabbing a couple more things now that I've become a dollar store addict, and they actually had just restocked the dishes, and they had all kinds. Larger plates, even kind of like a square plate. So I would seriously look there if you want something that's affordable for dinnerware. And then these are just the little bamboo utensils that I shared in the last video as well. There they are, kind of styled, and that simple little vase they're in is actually just a plastic one, so might be a good option if you have young kids, that you could even have that out on the counter and it's not going to get broken. And still has kind of a cute modern shape with the more squared off style. And then there's that little tiny random, it just was so cute, glass jug with the cork that I thought was fun. That's one that I thought might be a good way to store like your olive oil or something like that for cooking. All right, so one more thing that I found just today as well were these darling glass bowls. I love the simple shape of these. They're really similar to the white bowls, but if you want something even more simple, you can go just glass so they're clear. They would go with anything really. And this whole shelf of decor was $24 plus tax. So under $25, and you have a whole shelf full of stuff when normally like $25 might get you 1 or 2 decor items. So I feel like it's a pretty good value. Shop in the dollar store. And then also these are all really functional and practical things too, which is my goal in life. Let's go check out the other idea I have for you. So in our home, we've already had guests come visit because now we live in a vacation town, and so it's kind of fun. But I love to do stuff like this where you make a little welcome basket for your guests when they come to stay. So this has a little bar of soap and this jar with bath salts, and these are the ones that I used. So you can recognize them if you're looking in the store. They're actually a really good deal, and this watermelon and aloe one smells so good. So this is that's one jar of those in there. So I'll probably put the second one in just to fill it up more. And then this cute little bath sponge and washcloths that they had as well. They're kind of like a microfiber cloth, so for like removing makeup, they're great. And then the little basket that I shared last time, we were using these for organizing my daughter's closet as well, but I thought this would be a really cute welcome basket. Your guests feel like it's a luxury spa, but you really only spent like $5 on them, so it's no big deal for you. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you got a few ideas for things that you can use from the dollar store in your designing of your home, and maybe even for guests and gifts, things like that too. If you like this, if you like the ideas, be sure to give me a thumbs up on this one so I'll know to do more dollar store ideas in the future. Leave me a comment too if you guys have any questions or thoughts on today's video. Be sure to subscribe too and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live.